Hello everyone, let's learn some colors. Red color, brown color, pink color, black color, purple color, blue color, light green color, yellow color, sky blue color, dark green color and orange color. A for apple. B for bee. C for cat. D for dog. E for eagle. F for flower. G for guitar. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kite. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for notebook. O for orange. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for vest. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Let's learn number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, 1, 0, 10. Plus, multiply, divide, multiply, equal, greater than, less than. Let's read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus, multiply, divide, multiply, equal, greater than, less than. Like and subscribe for more videos.